welcome you to this quick exploration of some questions in previous NEET exams in the topic called the classification of elements and periodicity in properties. The element Z is equal to 114 has been discovered recently on quadrium. It will belong to which of the following family or groups and electronic configuration? To answer this type of question, a quick shortcut. All the elements from atomic number 103 to 118 belong to 7th period. Therefore, their outer energy level progressively filled is 7, and the last two digits in the atomic numbers of elements from 103 to 118 indicate the number of electrons that are filled in the outer levels. Therefore, 114 indicates it has 14 electrons. Out of these 14, 10 are there in d orbitals, which we need not have to worry, 60 orbitals. So, the configuration of this element must be like radon 6d10 7s2 7p2. Is that very clear? I hope you understood the logic. Again, I am saying for your sake, all the elements from 103 to 118 belong to 7th period. Number 2, last two digits indicate the electrons that are being added. If it is 114, 14 electrons are added in a way that the 4 electrons remain in 7th energy level, 10 will go to inner d orbitals, 6d10, 7s2, 7p2. Question number 2. In which of the following options the order of arrangement does not agree with the variation of property indicated against it? It is a very standard NEET question. If you are looking at the electron gain enthalpy, you should notice electron gain enthalpy of Cl is highest amongst all elements. Therefore, obviously A is wrong. That is the answer. Remaining 3 are useful for us to notice. The increase in metallic radius, down a group it increases, so it is correct. Increasing ionic size, more positive ions are smaller in size, negative ions are bigger in size, so that is right. Increasing first ionization enthalpy, definitely boron is less than carbon, carbon is less than nitrogen, and nitrogen ionization enthalpy is greater than that of oxygen. Therefore, D is also wrong. This question appeared in 2016 NEET. It became a point of dispute because two options appear to be corresponding to the question. Both A and D are right. Do you know that the second group element's first ionization energy is more than that of first group element, more than that of 30th group element. Similarly, the 15th group element's ionization energy 1 is greater than that of 14th group element, greater than that of 16th group element, because it has exactly half filled p orbitals. Fully filled and exactly half filled orbital sets give extra stability. Their ionization energies are more. The species argon K plus Ca plus 2 contain the same number of electrons. In which order do their radii increase? Obviously, more positive ion is smaller in size. More positive people are humble. Only negative people are proud. Ca plus 2 is definitely less than K plus, which is less than argon. No need to see other options, that is so obvious. Question number 4. Which of the following order of ionic radii is correctly represented? Always remember, negative fellows are bigger and positive fellows are smallest. A is wrong because H minus is bigger than H, H is bigger than H plus. B is wrong because Na plus is not bigger than negative ions. C is definitely wrong because F minus has 1 minus charge. O minus 2 has 2 negative charges. More negative people are bigger than positive fellows. So C is wrong. D. Al plus 3 is greater than Mg plus 2 is greater than N minus 3 is utter nonsense. So question number 4 that appeared in 2014 NEET has no answer. Therefore, whom attempted this question were given bonus. Sometimes in NEET and other competitive exams also questions go wrong. Question number 5. Which one of the following arrangements represent the correct order of least negative to most negative electron gain enthalpy? Notice electron gain enthalpy means energy released when an electron is added to valence level of an atom. For second group elements and for noble gases, they are positive because they don't want electron. If you want to give an electron, you have to consume energy. See, the enthalpy means energy change, that is negative means energy released. Positive means energy consumed. So based on this logic, for question number 5, Ca plus is least negative in nature. It dislikes to take electron. And amongst these elements which they give, the D corresponds to correct option. Now let us look at the 6th question. Identify the wrong statement in the following amongst isoelectronic species. Smaller the positive charge on cation, smaller is the ionic radius. Notice isoelectronic series means a series of ions which have same number of electrons. In this, smaller the positive charge on the cation, smaller is the ionic radius is wrong. More positive charge makes size smaller. So first option is wrong. Let us look at the second option, sir. Second option, for he is asking you to identify what in this question. Which of the following order is correct? What is the question? Wrong statement. So statement A is wrong because more positive ion is smallest in size. So A is wrong, that is the answer. Let us see other options also because we can learn from other options also. Among the isoelectronic species, greater the negative charge on the anion, larger is the ionic radius is true. More negative people are very proud and they look big. Atomic radius of the element increases as one moves down the first group of the periodic table. That is absolutely true. Not only in first group, in any group as you go down, atomic radius increases. Atomic radius of the element decreases as one moves across from left to right in the second period. It is also true because effective nuclear charge increases. So answer to this question is definitely A. Now let us look at question number 7. What is the value of electron gain enthalpy of Na plus if IE1 of Na is 5.1? The meaning of this question is to convert Na into Na plus, you have to remove one electron. In order to remove one electron, first electron, the energy required is called first ionization energy. So that first ionization energy they gave 5.1. Now after removing one electron, you got Na plus. When Na plus has to gain an electron, whatever the energy you have consumed earlier will be released. Therefore, Na plus, if you add with an electron, same amount of energy is released. Whatever that is released will have negative sign. So answer to question number 7 is A. Sir, if you have not understood, pause the video and attend to the idea again. IE1 represents energy needed to knock out an electron from a neutral atom. Therefore, the IE1 of sodium is 5.1 eV, which is consumed. Now, if you take Na plus and add the electron, this time energy is released. To remove electron, energy is consumed. When the electron is added to positive ion, energy is released. Released means negative sign. So, question number 8. The correct order of decreasing ionic radii among the following isoelectronic species. We have already discussed. So answer to this question is C. More negative, bigger the size. More positive, smaller the size. Which of the following represents the correct order of increasing electron gain enthalpy with negative sign from elements oxygen, sulfur, fluorine, chlorine? Again, answer to this question must be B. Notice oxygen, fluorine, these atoms which are there in the second period, their atomic radii are small. When you add an electron, added electron is repelled by other electrons due to very proximity, due to small size. Hence their electron gain enthalpies will be less in magnitude. Question number 10. Among the elements Ca, Mg, P and Cl, the order of increasing atomic radii is very obvious. Answer is clearly P. Do you know why? Left to right, the radii will decrease. So you have to move left to right, the radii will decrease. So rightmost is lowest size, leftmost is biggest size. These are the 10 questions. We will be meeting again in another video tomorrow.